So, most of us are mad at ourselves because we feel like we are not doing enough. Okay, we feel like we're not doing anything with our lives. But here's the truth. Do you actually believe everything you see on social media? The internet is full of lies. Not everything there is totally a lie. But then most things that people push out there are just lies. And you can't live your life based on that. You can't live your life based on what you see people do and you feel like a nobody. You aren't a nobody. Calm down. So you go online, just imagine yourself scrolling through your Instagram feed and you see someone who has a better shape than you do. You see someone who looks more beautiful than you are. You see someone who looks achieved, like they look fulfilled and they've achieved more than what you could ever think of it achieving. And you begin to like question yourself. Before you know, you go to the person's profile, you begin to scroll, oh, this person, you begin to look at their lives. But here's something you should know. People only show you what they want you to see. Nobody, you hardly see anybody come online to post about the bad things happening in their lives. But then it's hard for you to see a genuine person coming online to post every single thing that happens in their daily life. People filter things. People remove the not so good parts that they don't want anybody seeing. So they just come and show you what they want you to see, the beautiful, well looking, arranged, organized, fulfilled lady, guy, whatsoever. And you're in your house killing yourself about what? So you feel other people are doing better than you. If you feel other people are doing better than you, just stand up and work. Don't just wish. Stand up and work. But do not start comparing yourself with other people because you feel that they're living the life you want to live and you haven't gotten there. So you want to do everything possible to get there. And then the devil comes. He gives you ideas. Say, do this. This is what you're doing. Do this. Do this. He gives you like a whole lot of ideas, and you're like, yes, I should do it. Any idea that comes from the devil is a bad one. You're doomed if you get any idea from the devil. He doesn't give you ideas. He gives you things that will kill you. He doesn't just give you ideas. The devil is out there and he is seriously looking for people to destroy. Do not feel less of yourself because you feel other people are achieving and you haven't got there. Calm down. Your time will come, and when your time comes, you're going to know. So don't kill yourself. Just go on your pace. Like I said in my last video, everybody has their own lane. Follow your lane. Don't choose to be someone else just because you want to get or gain what that person has. Choose to be you. Discover you. Know who you are because we forget our roots, we forget our culture, we forget our upbringing. We just want to be like that person. If you're not that person, you're not anything. Stop it. Be you. Be you and be proud. Walk on your own lane. Do not measure your success with someone else's. You don't know what that person might have done. So they actually don't show you the process, they show you the finished work. They don't tell you how they made it, they just show you that they've made it. So do not envy anybody you see online. If you are the only real person, be real to yourself and be real to every other person around you. I'm not saying you should go on social media and posting everything about you. No. But then be real. What's there to live a fake life? You have debts on your head to pay just because of Instagram, because of TikTok, because of Facebook. People are stealing clothes, they are stealing wigs. A lot of videos are online every day of people stealing clothes just to make TikTok videos and Instagram videos just to get what likes. So after you've gotten the highest amount of likes in this life, where is it taking you to? Is it taking you to heaven? Calm down. Go at your own pace. Don't stress yourself. It's not worth the stress. Don't stress yourself. Go at your own pace. Discover what works for you. Discover what works for you and involve God in it. Discover what works for you and involve God in it. And before you know it, your time will come. And people will be the ones to be like, oh, I want to be like this girl. Just give it time. Take a deep breath out and say to yourself, my time is coming. As I put in more effort into making my life a better one, my time comes and I will be celebrated. So do not wish to be like all those people you're seeing on social media. Yeah, most stories are true. But then, be you, discover you. Be you, discover you. There are a lot of potentials in you that you haven't even tapped. You've not even found them, talking of tapping into them. So discover you, know the best part of you, know what makes you glow, know what makes you passionate, know what gives you joy, what makes you happy. Discover you. And the sky is just going to be the starting point. So thanks for watching and see you in my next video. I just had to drop it because I've been seeing a lot of things on social media and it's not funny. I think the pressure is becoming worse. The pressure is becoming worse. So don't pressurize yourself. Calm down. Your time is coming. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.